Hey everyone, let us do a few questions from exercise 3.1. First of all, let us do the sixth question. In sixth question, it is given the marks obtained by a group of students in a science test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 85, 81 and 75. And we have to answer these three questions. The first question is to find the highest and lowest marks obtained by the students. Second question is to find the range of the marks obtained, and the third question is to find the mean marks obtained by the uh, group of these students. So let us solve its three parts one by one. So here clearly you can see the highest marks obtained is 95. Now here clearly this number is the biggest one, highest is 95 and lowest is 39. This number is the lowest, 39. In the second part we need to find the range of the marks obtained. So range means highest observation minus lowest observation. So we have already found the highest and the lowest observations in the first part. Now we will find the range as the difference of these two. So range will be 95 minus 39, which comes out to be 56. So range of these marks is 56. And in the third part of this question we have to find the mean marks obtained by the group, that is we have to find the mean. So you know the formula for finding the mean is sum of observations divided by the number of observations. Here the observations are marks, so we will write sum of marks divided by the number of students who have obtained these marks. Number of students. Here we will be finding the sum of marks. We have to find the sum of these numbers 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75. This is to be divided with the number of students, that is the number of observations. So the number of observations here is 10. So we will divide this with the 10. So we'll get the sum of the numbers which are given in the numerator is 730. So we are dividing 730 with 10. So this will be divided with 10. 730 will be divided with 10 and you will get the answer as 73. So 73 is the mean marks obtained by this group of students. So this was the sixth question. Next we move to the seventh question. The next question is the enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was given as follows, and we have to find the mean enrollment, that is we have to find the mean of these numbers. So again the formula for mean is the sum of observations divided by number of observations. So these numbers are to be added first. 1555, 1670, 1750, 2013 2540 2820. These numbers will be added and this will be divided with the number of observations, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. This will be divided with 6. The sum of numbers in the numerator is 1 2 3 4 8. On adding you'll get 12,348 and this is to be divided with 6. So we'll get the answer as 2058. So this is the mean enrollment for of the school for this period is 2058. This was 7th question. Now moving to the next question, which is question number 8. In question number 8, rainfall in mm in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded, and the data is given as on Monday 0 mm, on Tuesday 12.2 mm, and so on. So the data for 7 days is given, the rainfall, and we have to answer these questions. First of all, we need to find the range of the rainfall in the above data, and we know the formula for range. Range is highest observation minus the lowest value of observation. So here among all these numbers, you can clearly see this number is the biggest, 20.5. This is the highest observation, 20.5, and from this we have to subtract the lowest observation, and in this case the lowest observation is 0.0. So the range will be 20.5. So 20.5 mm will be the range. In the second part, we need to find the mean rainfall for the week. So we are finding the mean, and we know the formula for mean is sum of observations divided by the number of observations. Here the different observations are 0.0, 12.2, 2.1, 0.0, 20.5, 5.5, 1.0. So all these numbers are to be added and then to be divided with 7. The number of observations are 7. So here we are adding these numbers, and sum of all these numbers will come out to be 41.3. So 41.3 is to be divided with 7, which will give you the answer as 5.9. So 5.9 mm is the mean rainfall for the week. Next, in the third part, we need to find on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall. This is the mean rainfall, 5.9, and we want to find the number of days on which the rainfall was less than this. So we need to find the numbers which are smaller than 5.9. So here you can count on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday, that is 5 days. On these 5 days the rainfall was less than the mean rainfall, 0.0, 2.1, 0.0, 5.5, 1.0. all these numbers are smaller than 5.9. So your answer for the third part will be 5 days. Next, question number 9, the last question of this exercise. The heights of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and their results are recorded here, and we need to write the answers for 5 questions in this. Its first part is what is the height of the tallest girl. So here you can see clearly the biggest number among these is 151. So the height of the tallest girl is 151 centimeter. All these numbers are given in centimeter, the heights are recorded in centimeter, so answer is 151 centimeter. In the second part we are finding the height of the shortest girl, that is the number which is the smallest among these. Here clearly you can see this number 128, this number is the smallest, so your answer will be 128 centimeter for the second part. In the third part we are finding the range of the data, and we know range is the highest observation minus the lowest observation. So range of this data will be 151 minus 128. On subtraction we will get the answer as 23 centimeter. So 23 centimeter is the range of this data. In fourth part we are finding the mean height of girls. For mean height we need to add all these numbers and then we will add that sum with 10. So we'll write mean as sum of these numbers 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143, 141, and these are to be divided by 10. These number of observations, this number of observations is 10. On adding all the numbers in the numerator we will get 1414, and this is to be divided with 10. Division with 10 in this case is very easy. We'll get the answer as 141.4 centimeter. Now remember, the unit of range and mean is same as the unit which is given in the data. So with this your first exercise of this chapter is completed.